find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow.
It is blah, blah, Miss Purple Unicorn Gaming back on Ocean Life. So guys, I was doing a little bit of off-camera work. So I found a ocean and I was fighting a drown, and guess what? I got a Nautilus shell. So I'll see you guys when we're back inside the world. Goodsies. Okay guys, so I'm back, and if you guys want to see her in all her glory, it is Miss Nautilus Shell. I was fighting a drown. You can even ask MC. So while we sleep, today's agenda is to build a farm, and I'll show you guys how I want to build my house so that it overlooks the sea. So I figured out that this hill over here kind of overlooks everything. And look at that beautiful turtle over there. That's so cute. So there's a drown with a thing. And if you guys don't believe me, I did kill him with this wooden shell. Let's see if we can kill the drown over there. Oh, there's one over here. Grab some air wisps. Get some swords. And guys, ask Amatos, I died a whole bunch of times. And so guys, I drowned. But I drowned. And I accidentally hit a dolphin. So that's quite sad. So we're gonna try and build this drown. So guys, I'll see you in a second because I gotta go. Hold on. See you on land. Bye guys. So guys, this is actually not an episode. This is me telling you the big news for Ocean Life. Hi. And also there's this spot. So I'm leaving you guys to vote which part you guys want, over there or over here. So let's name this one Dolphin Mountain. And that one should be Horse Paradise. So comment down below Horse Paradise or Dolphin Mountain. Bye guys. Love yous.